And this here, we're gonna go ahead and make a cone. Kind of like that, you see? And for those lonely Friday night guys, when you have a little leftover of this and a little bit of that, got a little pan pizza right here. Personal, we're gonna go ahead and do this real quick, just here. But I'm not sharing this one, it's all for me. What am I doing? Scraping off all the goodies. There we go. Just like that. Let's pick it all up. And we'll work with that in just a minute. Doing that last pepperoni right here. That can stay there, not a problem. Now, and this here, we're gonna go ahead and make a cone. Kind of like that, you see? We'll place it right here. Now, with these ingredients, come back through. Let's go ahead and make it into fourths. Right inside, we have some sausage. Just like that. I'm gonna add a little touch right here. Little basil just on top. Beautiful. And now, separate this. Make ourselves a nice little meatball. Close it up. And tight. There we go. Now all we got to do is remove it. Should be nicely enclosed. Perfect. We got a nice little meatball with its filling. And place it right here. Perfect. Let that cook down. In the meantime, check it out. Got a little garlic, roasted garlic butter that is. You see our garlic right there. Let's get a little bit on to the crust. Beautiful. Now, as I mentioned before, I had a little left over, some pasta here. I don't want to lose it, so I'm going to use it. Beautiful. There we go. Little Parmesan. Go ahead and get these around. Beautiful. Perfect. Nice. All right, I'll go ahead and grab that, place it right there along with this one. Delicious. A little more Parmesan. Go ahead and add a little fresh cherry tomatoes and some basil. There we go. Beautiful, guys. Now, what you gotta do is enjoy. We just turn this pizza into something amazing. Check it out. Begin. Got our nice cheese, pepperonis,